Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect Valorant to your Discord account. So this is a recently new update that they have just released, like a few hours ago, I believe. But if you go to like your socials area, go to add friends, connect Discord. It says let's get connected. Linking makes it easier to play with your friends on Discord. See which ones play our games, drop them invites, and bring them right into your party. So press continue. Scroll down and then press authorize. Go back to Valorant. Okay, your Riot account is already linked to a Discord account. You hit cancel during, okay. Okay, so it turns out it's already connected. As you can see, I have one of my Discord friends in the social area of the game, and there is like the Discord logo next to my username as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!